Isn't it a good thing when breakers aren't tripping?
Well, it would seem so, but when breakers are not tripping, that could be signs of a problem in itself. The purpose of a circuit breaker is to detect an issue within the home that would lead to something unsafe. This could be something as in a broken wire, it could actually be two wires touching, creating sparks, or anything that could be potentially an overload where a circuit is pulling more power than what the breaker should actually be letting it go through. All of these items can lead to a very unsafe situation within your walls that you would never ever see. Breakers should be exercised at least once annually. Most people don't do that. And when you have these older breakers and they're not exercised at least once a year throughout their life, they aren't actually working correctly. A lot of times we actually nowadays are putting more load onto our circuits, which this was a circuit breaker. This breaker will not trip if it has not been exercised, especially when it's an older breaker with a much older technology. These technologies, what they do are they're kind of dumb technologies. They work off of a piece of metal inside the breaker that gets hot and turns off. Um, that does not always work in these older breakers that have not been exercised, or they've just kind of gotten older and the mechanisms are just not working anymore. And so it's not a good thing if they haven't tripped.